Welcome, here I've got OPPO A74 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's stay here, and now let's focus on this button under the higher settings bar. We have to slide a little bit down, and now we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. At the first place we have the camera frame settings, so our aspect ratio, we are in 4:3, let's pick 1:1. And now, as you can see, the background has changed to the square one, so this is how it works here. Another slide down, and let's move to the full camera frame full aspect ratio, and this is how it looks like. Let's slide once again and go to 16:9 aspect ratio, so for now we can see this kind of camera properties. And of course, when we slide down once again, we can go to whatever we need with that. Now let me go back to 4:3, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.